Hello students, welcome back to my channel Trivisha Classes. Students, in today's class I am going to teach you a very interesting thing. So let's move on to the class. Good morning, how are you all? You all are fine? Very good. So children, in today's class I am going to teach you about opposite words. Okay, so before starting opposite words, I would like to say what are opposite words. Opposite words are those words that are opposite to another word, okay? And it is also known as antonyms. Opposite words are also known as antonyms, okay? So now all of you take out your books, notebooks, your pencil and be ready with your work. Come. Okay, so let's look on the board. See, opposite words. Okay, the first word is day. Okay, day means din. Okay, so what will be the opposite of day? The opposite of day will be night. Okay, the opposite of day will be night. Din raat. Din raat. Okay, next is big. Okay, big, very big. Okay, you can see elephant. An elephant is a big animal. Okay, what will be the opposite of big? The opposite of big will be small. Okay, small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay, you can see ant. Ant is a small animal. Okay, next, come. Okay, you say come. Okay, what will the opposite of come? Opposite of come will be go. Okay, when you come, your teacher say come, and you ask your teacher, may I go? You say ma'am says go. So the opposite of come will be go. Okay. Next, tall. Tall. Okay. The man is very tall. Okay. Next, opposite of tall will be short. You can say short. Okay. Next, hot. Okay. Hot. The tea is very hot to drink. And cold. You can say cold. Hot. It's very hot today. And opposite of hot will be cold. You feel very cold. Next, up. Up. Upstairs. Up. And down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay. Next, good. Okay, when you do something good, your teachers appreciate you. Okay, good. Thumbs up, good. And opposite of good will be bad. Okay, thumbs down. If you do something bad, your teachers put your thumbs down. And if you do something good, your teacher puts your thumbs up. Next, sad. Sad, you are very sad. And opposite of sad will be happy. Sad, happy. Sad, happy. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed it. Again let's repeat it. Okay, come. Day, night. Day, night. Come. Go. Come. Go. Next, big, small. Big, small. Next, tall, short. Tall, short. Next, hot. Hot. Cold. Hot, cold. Next, up, down. Up, down. Next, good, bad. Good, bad. And the last one is sad, happy, sad, happy. Okay, very good class. I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay everyone, I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please do like, subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notification. Bye everyone. See you all.